One of the most common applications to run speaker wires through the wall is so that you don't have this running up to your rear surround speakers. What we're going to do is run this wire through the wall, and one of the things that we're going to need is a low voltage jack and a cover plate, and then your speaker wire, of course. Basically what we're going to do is run your wire down through the wall, and then it's going to come out at a hole down at the lower part of the wall using your jack and your cover. So you're going to make a hole in the wall where you want your speaker, or where you want your speaker located, and then fish the wire down in through the wall. Put a length of it down until you get down to the bottom of the wall. You can hear it fall down in there. So first, you're going to install your low voltage frame down towards the bottom of the wall. And what you're going to do is put this on the wall and then score the inside of it to give you a mark on it. Then after you've got it scored, take your drywall saw and cut just a little bit on the outside of it, being how you did the inside of it when you scored it. So you're going to cut into it. Now that you've dropped the wire down from the top where the speaker location is, and you've cut your hole, you're going to reach in, pull out your speaker wire, pull it all out, and then install your ring into the wall, like so. And this has these little flip-out tabs that hold it up against the inside of the drywall. Take your screwdriver, tighten it up, and then it cinches up against the wall, and then install your cover plate to hide the location. And that is how you hide speaker wires in a wall.